Hey friends, let's do Everything About You guitar lesson by Ugly Kid Joe. And with this song we're tuned to E flat. So we play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting on the D power chord, just play the D, G and B string. Then second fret A, third fret E, back to the A power chord. And then just play open A, second fret A, open A, back to the D again. Second fret on the G, on the A, third fret on the E, the A power chord again. This time play the open A on the D string, 4, slide to 5, open A, D, 4, 2. Then we're just going to pick the D chord, so D, G, B, E, do the 2, A, 3 on the E, back to the A power chord. This time we're going to pick second fret on the D, second on the G, 5th on the E, do the A, open 2, open, back to the D. This time pick the E, B, G, strings, and then A, 2, G, 3, and finish on the A power chord there, so slowly. And that's our clean guitar at the start. Now let's have a look at our heavy guitar. So it's a similar riff to that clean guitar. We have the A, open, 2, open. Then just play the 5th fret, and we're playing a D power chord. So the 5th fret on the A, play the D power chord, palm mute the A string and the D power chord again. Start on the A2 on the E3, then play the A power chord 2 times, 2 palm mutes on the A and then the A power chord again. Repeat that all again, O2, open up to a D power chord, 2, 3. Now this time play A again, 2 palm mutes, and then go 5 on the D, palm mute the A on the open, and then D, 4, 2. Then play the 5th fret on the A again, do the D power chord 3 times, and then our 2, 3, A, palm mute on the A, and then we're repeating that again, open 2, open on the A, 5 on the D, power chord 3 times, 1, 2, 3, A2, E3, and then the open A power chord. And that's our intro riff there. Then we have our verse. Let me do that for you. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that really helps me out. So let's get back into it. So we're just starting on the A, and the riff's the same as before. Open 2, open, 5, and then play a D power chord, mute, D power chord, 2, 3, A. And then this time play the 5th fret on the E and the B, up, 2 palm mutes on the A, and then up again on the E and the B. So do the first part of the riff again. Now this time we hold the D chord, but we play the B, G, the D string and finish the riff first one again. Do the second one again. Now here we change, we play the A, then the 5 on the E and the B, 2 palm mutes on the A, 5 on the D, palm mute A, 4 on the D, 2 on the D. So it's the same feel we used before. Then instead of playing the open 2 and the O again, we just go straight to the D and finish the riff the same. Then do that another 2 more times, but with the O to O at the start. And again. Then we have one more time, start the same. And this time just play the A power chord, 5th fret on the E and the B, and finish on the A power chord. So. Then we have a second guitar, we're playing 14 on the G, 15 on the B, 14 on the E, and we're just doing it down, up, down, up. Then we're just playing the A, we're playing 5 E, 5 on the B, 6 on the G, and we go up, up, down. Then we're just playing a D, we're going to play 10 on the E and the B, and 11 on the G, and down, up, down. And that's that second guitar, and that's right in the background. Then we have the pre-chorus, let me play that for you. And that's sort of our pre-chorus and our chorus here. That's just our A, open, 2, open, 3 on the E, and just play the G chord. We're just going to do upstrokes on the 3rd fret on the E and the B, and then just finish on the A chord. Then we have the next part after it, which is the chorus, or the little post-chorus part there. Let me play that for you. So again, the riff stays the same. So the same as our intro. Finish on the A, and then we have this little fill. We're going to play 12 on the A, 12 on the D, hammer on to 14, and then 14 G. And that's our little chorus, or our little post-chorus there. From there we go back to the verse, and that's all exactly the same. Then we have the next pre-chorus. Let me play that for you. So we're just doing our A, open, 2, open, go to the G chord, play the E string 3rd fret, and then just an up on the E, B and G, play the A power chord, and then just play 5th fret on the E and the B, down, up, down, up. Sorry, down, up there, and do that 2 times. And then just finish on the G and the A, and stop there. And that's our second pre-chorus. Then we have the next chorus, that we play that for you. So we're just doing a slide this time instead of the open to open on the A, and then the riff stays the same. D, 2, 3, A, mute, mute, A, our O to O again, D, 2, 3, O, mute, mute, and then our 5, O, 4, 2, back to the D. Same riff again, then to finish that off, open to open on the A, play the D, palm mute the A, the C, palm mute the A, and then the open A power chord there, and that's our next chorus. Then we have the bridge. Let me play that for you. Starting on a G chord, play the E string, then play the open D and G, and then play E, B, G, B, and we're holding the 3rd fret down on the E and the B string. So then just play the E again, B, E, B, G, then play the 4th fret E, and we're going to play an A bar chord here. So play the 5th fret A, and then 5th fret E, and then A, D, A, jump to E, B, E, B, play the E again, and then G, B, and then we're playing 7 on the E, 5 on the B, and then back to 5 and 5, and then 4 again on the E, then come back to the G chord and play the 3 on the E. We're going to play B, E, G, B, G, B, G, back to the E, B, G, and then play the open G and B with the 5th fret on the E, and then the 7th fret, just slide that up and open on the G and the B, 7th fret E, and then the heavy guitar comes in. We're just doing the A power chord and the build up there, and then 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, and that's with the heavy guitar there. And that's our bridge. Then we have our solo rhythm, so let's do that and we'll do our solo at the end. So our riff's just staying the same. We're doing the slide and starting on the D. Do the O to O. Do our little run down. Back to the first one again. This time do the O to O, the D riff. 2, 3, A, hold, palm mutes on the A and then the A again. Then just play a G chord, do 2 ups, an A power chord, 5th fret on the E and the B. Do that 2 times, G, A, then to finish off G, 2, and just stop on the A there. And that's our rhythm solo, and we'll do the solo at the end. Then we have the next part there. Let me play that for you. So we're just playing a D bar chord. We're going to go down, mute, down, mute, up, and then coming to this D7 chord. So 14G, 13B, 14 on the E, and go down, up, down. Then go to the A chord, A bar chord, and do the same thing. Then we're jumping to a 9 on the G, 8 on the B, 9 on the E, and 1, 2, 3. And we're doing that 8 times. So back to the A. A. 8 times, and then we're going to the G bar chord and doing the same thing. This time go up to 7G, 6B, 7 on the E. Back to the A. Back to the G. Back to the A. Back to the G. And then just finish on the A there. So that last part's just going G, A. Then we have the last outro part, and we do that for you. So we're just playing these octave chords, 5 on the A, 7 on the G 2 times. Come back to 3 and 5, 2 and 4, 1 and 3. Finish on the A power chord, just tremolo pick, slide it up to the 14th fret on the D and the G, and then we have A, 5, open, open, 2, open, and then a C sharp to a D. And we also have a harmony on that first part. We start on the 5, A, 7, G again, come up to 9 and 11 this time, 10 and 12, 11 and 13, and finish on 12 and 14. And that's the harmony there. And that's the harmony there. Now let's do the solo. So I'm going to start with a bend on 13B, then play 10 on the B and the E, 1, 2, 3, B12, G12, and then bend the 12G, play 10B, do that again, bend the 12G, and then on the B, 10, 12, 10. So do that first part again, 13 bend, 10, 10, 10, 12B, 12G, bend the 12G, 10B, 12G, 10B, then play 15 on the E, 10 on the B, back to E, 14, 12. So do the start again, bend on 13B, the 10s, 1, 2, 3, B12, G12, this time bend on the G12. We're going to play the B, 10, 13, pull off the 10, bend on 12, and do that again, 10, 13, 10, bend 12, release, pull off the 10, do 12 on the D, back to G12, 10, so it changes there. Do the bend on 13 again. Jump back to the 10 on the B and E just 2 times. E, 13, 10, 13, and then do a bend on 15, E. Then we have these little pedal tones. We're going to slide up to 12 on the G, 12B, 12G, 13B, 12G, 15B, 12 on the G, 13, 12s. And do exactly the same thing but up 2 frets. Then we're going to play open G, open B, open G, first fret B, open G, third fret B, open G, first fret, and then open B. So then the same thing again but on the second fret. So 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5 on the B, and use your bar there, and then do the first one again. Finish on the A, then we're just going to bend on 17 on the B, play 17 E, release the bend on 17 B, and play 15 on the B. And that's our solo there, and that's all the parts. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed everything about You Guitar Lesson by Ugly Kid Show. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.